Good morning, honorable judges and teachers. My name is Sjkt, son of Subramaniam. My story is the boy who cried oof. Once upon a time, there lived a shepherd boy who was watching his flock of sheep on the hill. The entertain himself, he shouted out, "Oof! Oof! The wolf is chasing the sheep." When the villagers heard the cry, they came running up the hill to drive the wolf away. But when they arrived, they saw no wolf. The boy was amused when seeing their angry faces. "Don't scream, oof!" Boy answered the villagers, "Who there is no wolf." The angry went back down a hill. Later, the shepherd boy cried out once again, "Woof! Woof! The wolf is chasing the sheep." To his amusement, he looked on as the villagers come running up the hill to scare the wolf away. As they saw there was no wolf, they said strictly, "Save your frightened cry for when there really is a wolf. Don't cry wolf when there is no wolf." But the boy laughed at their words while they walked grumbling down the hill once more. Later the boy saw a real wolf shaking around his flock. Alarm! He jumped on his feet and cried out as loud as he could, "Woof! Woof!" But the villagers thought he was fooling them again, and so they did not come to help. At sunset, the villagers went looking for the boy who had returned with their sheep. Then they went up the hill. They found him weeping. There really was a wolf here. The flock is gone. I cried out, "Woof!" but you don't come. He went. An old man went to comfort the boy. As he put his arm around him, they said, "Nobody believes a liar even then he is telling the truth. We will look for your sheep tomorrow morning. Let's go home now." So, the moral of this story is lying breaks through trust. Nobody trusts a liar even when he is telling the truth. Thank you.